I can't download apps from the App Store on my iPhone. If you can't download apps from the App Store like me, let's see how to fix it. First, open the settings. Tap on your name. Sign out of your Apple ID and sign in again. Now try downloading apps after signing back into your Apple account. If the apps still don't download, move on to the second method. Go to Settings. Tap Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store Purchases. If Don't Allow was selected when installing the app, select Allow. Now restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, open the App Store. Now try downloading apps. The app is now downloading on iPhone. This is how you can fix the problem of apps not downloading on our iPhone. If you still can't install the app after doing these, free up your iPhone storage. Because if your iPhone storage is full, apps won't install on your iPhone.